Hey everybody, Zach here, and welcome back to the channel. We've got massive updates for Crowcoin, massive updates for XRP, and massive updates for VeChain or VET. So Crow, XRP, and VET all in one video. Why not? There are so many things to talk about right now in the crypto space. Things are looking super bullish. I always have to tell myself, don't get too high, don't get too low, but right now, it's really hard not to be super excited about the future of crypto for the rest of 2021. While we're in this bull cycle, I think it's just beginning. I think we are just getting started. And let's take a look at all three of these assets in this video. Thanks so much for stopping back. If it's your first time dropping in, all I ask is if you get some value, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want more of this content on all things crypto all the time. We'd love to have you. And if you want more access to me, if you want me to take a look at your portfolio, we've got that option too over at the Patreon. You can become an insider where you'll get buy and sell trade alerts from myself. You'll get hot crypto alerts throughout the week, portfolio guidance and help, as well as shared access to our group portfolio. Not to mention all of the benefits that you're going to get in our private Discord, which is a fantastic place to learn and discuss all things crypto all the time. All right, so before we jump into the Crow chart, some important things have happened with Crow here, and we're continuing to see it rise. So first, the 200-day moving average is at 14 cents, has really capped the price over the last couple of days. Now, that was before we got ahead of the moving average. So right now, we've got as high as 15 cents. Right now, we are trading ahead of the moving average, the 200-day moving average, at 14.9. Closing in on 15 cents here again, and that's big because now we've got room to continue to move forward. So as long as Crow remains above the 11.5 cent mark, though, the outlook remains broadly positive. For those of you who got in when I got in right at 11 cents, we're reaping the benefits here, and I think there's a lot more room to grow and go up. Obviously, with Crowcoin, one of the huge factors which have allowed me to feel comfortable investing in this particular asset is the 10-year, $175 million deal with the UFC. The UFC is global. It is growing more so than just about any league in and around the sports world. It is massive, and Crypto.com is painted everywhere, right? On UFC fighters' apparel, on the octagon, everywhere. It's even on the head of the Twitter page when you go to the UFC. It's massive, okay? And it's already growing at about 2 million new users per year over the last 5 years. They've got slightly over 10 million active users. You can select from 100 different cryptocurrencies at Crow, at Crypto.com. The Crow coin is their native coin. I think this is set to double, at least double the amount of daily users. Without partnerships, I think Crypto.com is only going to grow because crypto is just getting started. We are so early in crypto still. But now with this partnership, I think it's going to bring people to Crypto.com particularly, right? First and foremost, and I love it. I think this is huge. And I'll continue to be very bullish on the Crow coin until I won't be. And if at any time that happens, I'll create a video about it. But let's bounce into XRP now. So there's the Crow coin chart. Now XRP, super bullish too, up 15%. It's hit 98 cents. It's right below that right now. Look at the parabolic movement here from XRP. Excuse me. And we can see here, these are 1 hour candlesticks. So if we zoom in here, really the last few hours have seen huge growth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last 6 hours have seen us go from 87 cents to 97 cents. I mean, just in a hurry. This has been huge parabolic movement for XRP. We look at the technicals. It is ranked a strong buy right now. All indications are that this is full go, if you will, and this thing is going to continue to run. Now with XRP, obviously there are a lot of people in the US who still can't get XRP unless they decide to use Uphold or one of those other apps. However, let's hope that the SEC lawsuit gets resolved soon. But with all of that, Ripple is continuing to move forward. They are continuing to add partners. Now look at this. We're excited to partner with GME Remittance to accelerate and scale payments from South Korea into Thailand, building on the RippleNet momentum. The amount of partnerships and current ongoing projects that they are working on is massive. So if the U.S. gets left behind on this, that's just kind of what it is, right? Ripple still has the rest of the world, and they are situated super, super nicely for the future. I love XRP, and I know there's a lot of holders out there, and we're continuing to watch this closely. But right now, the price is pumping, it's soaring, loving it. XRP, congratulations to all the holders out there. Shout out to Anthony and Nut and Farshad, shout out to all you guys. Fantastic, fantastic stuff here. Now, the last one I want to take a look at is VeChain. This one is one that I hold as well. I opened up VeChain position very early on this year, right around 2 to 3 cents. All right, so far it's up to 11 cents. It got as high as 27 cents. I didn't take any profits. I held, and I think that's going to be a good decision. Of course, you can't always get them all right? You got to be wrong sometimes, and it humbles you. I think it's good because you learn more from mistakes than you do from successes, more from failures than you do successes. But I think VeChain is on an upward trajectory where we're going to surpass 27 cents. And the big one for VeChain, as we pop over here, it's already rallied 98% from July 20th to August 8th to set up the swing high at 11 cents. Now, this also kind of shows here, let's see here, while the upswing is likely, things could go south if the support level at 0.09 is breached. So that's our current level of support. We've kind of been down in there right here, right? We came down to the support line, we held it, okay? And then we've continued to create higher lows, which is always very bullish, right? So right now, looking great for VeChain too. VeChain, of course, in the supply chain management area of things, and they're working in a particular area. Let me go back over to this article that's really fascinating. So let me scroll back up here. Pet food market in China is ripe for blockchain solution. So the VeChain blockchain wants to standardize the variables in the pet food market in China, which mainly contains counterfeits and low-quality products. Now, with the use of blockchain technology, VeChain intends to revolutionize this $1.1 billion market by including the entire life cycle on the blockchain. And this is just one project. There are so many different directions that VeChain can go in the supply chain management area of things, whether it's agriculture, retail. It's just remarkable. And I am super, super excited to watch the growth of this particular company, organization, whatever you want to call it, and obviously, in particular, the asset, and I want to see it continue to grow. Love it. Love all three of these tokens, both Crow, XRP, and VET. Very bullish on all three of them. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section about any or all of these. Crow, VET, XRP. What are your thoughts? How much are you holding? Do you plan on still getting in? Love to hear from you. I always read all the comments. Would appreciate that. And don't forget to check out that Patreon link. We'd love to have you join us. It's still early on in the month here. You can join and get a lot of value out of that. So appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.